Today I'm going to be replacing a Blend Door Actuator in my 2016 Ford Expedition. And because it's in the garage, it's not really hot enough outside, I guess, for the thing to start clicking. But when it's hot outside, even if I have this turned off when I get out, well, the actuator kicks on and it starts clicking. So I believe it's the one that controls the cold side. So I'm going to start taking this apart to get to the actuator. So as you can see, there's a clicking noise when I turn it to low. Once it gets to a certain spot, it'll start clicking and eventually it'll stop. But that's what I'm going to try to fix today. You can actually get to the actuator on this driver's side over here. I've already unplugged it. There's a red clip that goes in there. I pulled that out, and then you pinch this and just pull it out. But the actuator is up here. And so it looks like it shouldn't be that bad to get to. I've got an 8mm wrench. So here's the actuator that we got out. The teeth on here look fine. I'm gonna open it up and see what the teeth look like on the inside. So you can see here there's a broken tooth. So this is probably what was making the noise. Hopefully it's not the actual blend door part of this, but it looks like it would work for part of the time, and then it would get to where that broken tooth is, and then it would start slipping, and it wouldn't make it past that. So I'm gonna replace this, and that should fix the issue. Here is the replacement part that I purchased for this. They don't give an exact one that you'll need. So I kind of just looked at the pictures online. This isn't a perfect match, but the holes all line up and it's got the right number of prongs. So I think this one should work. So I'm gonna go ahead and install it and we'll go from there. Here is the setup that I used to get to that top bolt. And then I just used a wrench for the bottom one. So I got it back on and plugged back in. I actually plugged it in first and then turned the air on and adjusted it so I could get the teeth all lined up. But pretty sure we fixed our problem. So yep, that fixed our problem. So we're all done here.